When someone shares your Wix website on social media, you can specify an image that shows up when that share happens. So to do that, we need to go to our Wix website into our dashboard. And on the left-hand side, we'll see settings. And inside of settings, we can find website settings somewhere in here. Inside of website settings, if we scroll down a little bit, we'll actually see the general social image. Whenever it's shared on Twitter, Facebook, or other platforms, you can actually upload an image here that will show when someone shares the site. And so we can click upload image, and then we can pick the image once we get into our media area. So this image could be really anything from your site files or media on Wix, or you can upload something separately from a Google Drive or Dropbox or just from your computer. I'm going to click upload from computer and just select this profile photo and click upload on that. So if you select your own photo, it's going to upload like this, and then it's going to appear in here in your site files, and you can select which one you want. And so we're going to click on this one, and I'm going to click add icon or just add photo. And so now that adds that image in here, and we can go up here to save it. And now this is the image that would show up if I shared this website on any social platform. So within the post itself, it's going to pull in an image, and that one's going to be this one. You can remove that image at any time, or you can also update or change that image here. And that's how you can add a social share image here on your Wix website.